Gold and silver so far for the day traded bearish as expected and predicted earlier in the day with the Asia and Europe session. See, silver has already raised all the gains from yesterday. In fact, it has dropped towards 3060, 3065 levels, while gold has also seen a dropping towards 2400 and is now struggling at 2400. What to expect today? PPI data will bring little volatility. Then the Michigan inflation. Both may try to add little volatility to the trades. How to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. The subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications of the both updates. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships here on YouTube. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till here. Now, see, gold on the hourly charts, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has converged here. It is now trading below the 20 period moving average. It is trying to move towards the 50 period moving average. And thus, below 2398, you can take a selling entry for 2395, 92 as the first support zone. And below that, we may see it moving towards 2387. 84 levels. Possibility is there. If it continues to drop, it can erase all the gains from this candle because this was a liquidity gap here. This was a sharp rise. It can come towards to erase all the gains, and thus 2380 could be achievable here. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is also trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour. Now on the 2 hour charts, it has just come to take the support from 20 period moving average, and thus it is important for it to stay below 2398, below which slight bearishness will prevail, and then we can expect it to move towards 2394, 95. First target 2391, 92. Second 2387, third 84, fourth and 80 till 2380. There are very good supports available for gold here. Below 2380 is where slight bearishness will prevail, and then we can in fact expect it to move towards 2370 levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, it is still appear to be divergent from the 20 period moving average, and if you look at the formation, after every rise it tries to come towards 20-50 period moving average, and after this rise it is again trying to move towards the 20 and 50 period moving average. So imagine if it drops towards below 20 period, then in fact it can keep continuing its movement towards the 50 period moving average, sitting at around 2378.80. So very good supports available here. Yes, I will still not say that gold is turned bearish, because see this channel here, this is the channel in which it is trading. The lows for this channel is at around 2380. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI dropping here. Coming to 4 hour. Similar is the story on the 4 hour charts. Possible retracement towards these levels cannot be denied here, and in fact it can keep moving towards 50 period. Now see, one more thing you should observe. One greener candle, sharp bullish candle, and series of retracement candles here. Now a reversal confirmation where you should buy. Ideally, if you see it is staying above 2408, 2410 zone, then only we should buy. The buying entries are only about 2408, 2410 zone. Remember, we have seen very strong resistances at around those levels, and even if you are buying at 24010 levels, remember 2416, 2418 is the level it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. As long as 2416, 18 is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bullish for the day. Very clear. Stochastic has dipped. MACD is here converging. It is willing to cross over. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services here. And yes, if you're looking for a broker which can save much of your money by offering you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see, this is the support levels at 2320. With that as support, gold is trading in this bullish channel. The highs are done. It is looking forward to the lows here. Where are the lows? 2380. Now, this also makes 2380, 2370 as a critical support zone for gold for the day. The question is, can it move towards this zone? Yes, if you see, I have mentioned the support levels here. 2398, you can take a sell entry. Expect 2395, then 2392.91, then 2387. And then 84.80. So now strongest support at 2378.80, and below that it is going to hit 2370 levels as well. Possibility is there, it can erase all the gains. There is a stronger probability to it, but still you have to keep trailing as per the support levels which I am mentioning, because and keep shifting your stop losses, because see, once it reverses it is going to be stronger one as well. Now where it is going to be difficult for it to reverse, if it drops below 2394.95, I think beyond below that it is going to be difficult for gold to reverse. It can try to move towards 2387.84. Now, on the upside, I have mentioned the buying entry is only above 2408, 2410 zone. If you see gold is staying above 240810 levels, we can see a stronger rise, and then you can look forward to 2416.18, and beyond 2416.18, 2425 levels will be seen. Now only bullishness in gold today is about 2425. It is going to turn completely bullish here. That is going to lead an extremely important or stronger bullish candle, chances of which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, moving average is crossing over here, trading bearish. It has erased all the gains from here. It is now come back to the crucial support zone at 3060, 3040. We have seen it is struggling to break below this zone for a while now, and see it has already given higher highs here. So once it drops below 3060, 3040, we can in fact aim towards $30 levels. Possibilities there. Breaking below this zone, you can expect more bearishness. So 3060 is the level you can take a selling entry, else it is still not bearish, and more bearishness will prevail only and only if it drops below 3040 levels. A crossover in moving average is a sign of bearishness. Stochastic has hit the lows here. The MACD is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, you can see similar observation here. It has breached the support levels. It has come towards 3080 was a crucial support, and now it has come closer towards 3060. So now wait for it to break below 3060. Below 3060 is where we can expect more bearishness to prevail, and below 3060 is where we aim for 3040, and below 3040 is where we can say that it is turning bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour charts closely. Look at the last couple of candles. It is formed almost a double bottom here. So it is very, very important to break the zone at 3065, and that is why I say a selling entry at 3060 can be taken, which is indeed a very good support. And below that, it is going to be important for it to break below 3040. Very, very simple. Moving averages have now started to converge. These have not yet crossed over, but these are certainly starting to converge, a sign of bearishness. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. The MACD is trading with divergence, looking downwards, staying bearish here. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts, the observation is similar here. The 50 period moving average giving it a very, very good support here. And yes, this is going to be important for silver to now break below 3060, 3040 zone. Again, reiterating, below which it is not going to come back. Another observation here is, look at the formation here, more or less trading in this channel here, and thus breaking this channel is certainly a sign of bearishness here. Also, the third observation here is the diminishing bearishness here. Now, this could be one thing, that because see, one bearish candle and then a moderately bearish candle. So if it breaks out, it is going to lead another sharper bearish candle here. We have to wait for it to give a clear-cut breakout. On the upside, now 3090 levels, you can initiate a buying entry at, but beyond 3090, we have to wait for 3110, 3120. Now 3110, 3120 is again going to be a prime resistance for silver here. Any move beyond 3110, 3120 is a sign of reversal. Stochastic coming to oversold levels, MACD trading bearish here, looking downwards. RSI is also dropped as well. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, you should look at the movement. See, it consolidated here, and then we have seen this rise. Again, it has erased all the gains. Now it has also breached these higher lows and trading bearish, so possibility of a further drop exists. Now see the 20 period moving average sitting at around 30 40 30 20 levels will be a good support, and then in fact it can keep moving towards 30. Now we have to wait for a clear breakout and a direction here in silver, because already it has seen good bearishness for the day. Thus on the downside, it is important for it to stay below 3060 in order to confirm a reversal here. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is trading green. It is not yet converged. It is trying to converge a bit. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at, I will recommend you to sell at 3060 and expect it to keep moving towards 3040, 3020 levels, and then $30 levels are also possible, feasible, achievable today itself. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 1390, but then it has to be with extreme caution. 31-31-20 levels. This complete zone 31-31-10, 31-20 is going to play a very important role. It is going to remain a stronger resistance zone. As long as silver stays below 31.20, we should not be treating this as bullish. Beyond 31.20 also 31.40 will come into picture. That is the next target. And if it stays above 31.40, you can treat this for a reversal and a sharper rise can be expected. Chances for which appears to be less looking at the moment today. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the weekly update tomorrow, which is going to give you fair insights of what to expect from the metals in the coming week. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join the mentorship batch in the Signals channel. Join the Telegram channel. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube. Reach out to me for your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.